Your next question is Vivek is older than Kishore by 5 years. The sum of the reciprocals of their ages is 1/6. Find the present age. Now let the present age of Kishore be x years and Vivek is older than Kishore by 5 years. So Vivek's age will be x plus 5 years. So sum of the reciprocals. So apply the condition 1 by x reciprocal. Okay, plus 1 upon x plus 5 reciprocal of x plus 5 is equal to 1/6. Now I find out LCM x into x plus 5. So numerator x plus 5 plus x is equal to 1/6. Now add the similar like terms, you can add 2x plus 5 upon x into x plus 5 is equal to 1/6. Cross multiply, you have 30 plus 12x is equal to x square plus 5x. Transfer all the terms to left side or transfer all the terms to right side. Equate it with 0. So you have x square minus 7x, 5x minus 12, that is minus 7, and 30 will become minus 30 is equal to 0. So x square minus 10x plus 3x, factorization method, product is 30, addition subtraction is minus 7, so is equal to 0. Group the terms, find out x common, and then x plus 3 into x minus 10 is equal to 0. So your answer is x is equal to minus 3, x is equal to 10. But age cannot be negative. So Kishore's age is 10 years and Vivek's age is 15 years. Your next question is Suyash scored 10 marks more in second test than in the first test. 5 times the score of second test is same as the square of the score in the first test. Find the score in the first test. So let score in the first test be x. So according to the condition, Suyash's score in second test is 10 more than the first. So it is x plus 10. Then the condition is 5 times the score of the second test is same as the score of in the first test. So square of the score in the first test. So it is 5 into x plus 10 is equal to x square. So multiplied 5x plus 50 is equal to x square. So this is your quadratic equation, x square minus 5x minus 50 equal to 0. Apply factorization method. Split the middle term into two parts, that is minus 10x plus 5x, so that addition is minus 5x and the product is product of first and last term, that is minus 50 x square. Group the terms, find out common. So you have x is equal to 10 or x is equal to minus 5. So the score is not negative. So Suyash's score is 10 marks in the first test. Your next question is Mr. Kasam runs a small business of making earthen pots. He makes certain number of pots on daily basis. Production of cost of each pot is rupees 40 more than 10 times the total number of pots he makes in one day. If production cost of all pots per day is rupees 600, find the production cost of one pot and the number of pots he makes per day. This is your question. So let number of pots he makes in one day be x, and therefore the production cost of each pot is rupees 40 more than 10 times the total number of pots. So it is 10 times, so it is 10x. 40 more, so plus 40, 10x plus 40. Production cost of all pots per day is 600. Let us find out how to get production cost, that is number of pots he makes in one day and the cost. So 10x plus 40 into x, that is 600. Frame the equation, 10x square plus 40x is equal to 600. Transfer the term to left side, divide it by 10. So it is x square plus 4x minus 60 equal to 0. Split the middle term, 10x minus 6x, that is plus 4x, and 10x into minus 6x, that is minus 60x square. Group the terms, find out common. So you have x is equal to 6 and x is equal to minus 10. But number of pots cannot be negative. So x is equal to 6. So the production cost of one pot is 10 into 6, that is 10x plus 40. So that is rupees 100.